Monahan is here. We're also joined by Simone's husband, Luke, who's in the front row. Now, she was getting a little emotional there in the end. It's a lot of information. I couldn't tell if she was overwhelmed or happy. How did it go?
She is so happy. It's crazy. She was the most enthusiastic. Her husband's like, yeah. She was the most enthusiastic person. I've done hundreds of makeovers with you.
Yeah.
She felt like this was way overdue, and she said to me, I'm not leaving here unless I know how to do it. I don't want it just to be a one-day thing. And I thought, yeah, that's perfect.
We have a little challenge in mind for her, but first things first. Let's start with how she looks now. So let's remind everybody, Simone before. I myself haven't seen her since.
Yeah, no.
Again, she's so beautiful.
Adorable.
Look, I'm sure you agree. She needed no makeover. Very beautiful.
Absolutely. She's always been very gorgeous.
Yes, she so certainly is. I know. Don't you love it?
She told us that he was excited as her. So
and here is Simone after. Come on out. Stay. Yes, she looks smoking hot. You look like a movie star. And Greta just said she didn't realize she dressed you in the same color. Yeah. you're like garanimals. It's very cute. Oh, he must be with her. You look smoking hot.
I feel smoking hot. I do. For the first time in my life ever, this is the best I've ever felt in my entire life.
Now, that's important. Did you hear what she said? She didn't say this is the best I've ever looked. She said this is the best I've ever felt. Yes. That's the point of these things. It's a self-esteem builder, right?
It was, and I feel like all the tips, Greta took so much time with me to teach me everything, hair, makeup, clothes, that I really feel I can maintain this look for the rest of my life. Thank you so much.
So good. Don't cry.
Try not to.
Now, you just said the magic words. You think you could actually recreate this next date night, or you're going to a function or something? Right. Would you be willing, this is a surprise to you, would you be willing to maybe allow Greta to help you with your makeup off, let us wash your hair, and if you're up to the challenge, could you try and recreate this look during our show?
I'm up for the challenge. I'm ready.
Yes! That means I have ways to make it right.
Go ahead. So,
all right, I'm gonna start taking it out.
I think it's gonna be a really fun challenge to see how close she gets to the whole styling team now that she's been given the tools, but I'm sure that the two of you will not only have a happily ever after tonight, but forever and ever. You're a very sweet couple. Very sweet couple.